A lot of builders have this idea that pocket doors are a pain, and they're still kind of holding on to some myths from the past that the pockets are flimsy, that they're gonna rub on the door. We've come up with a solution for that. We've got the tubular steel posts that are gonna make it so that your pocket's not gonna flex and rub on the door. Now that you can use these heavy solid core doors and put them in the system, they've got track and hardware that are going to be able to hold these heavy doors. Another myth was that it's going to rip the track off the head. Well, now, we use longer screws. We use a track and hardware that's going to hold the weight of these heavy doors, and we can accommodate super heavy doors and still do soft close, soft open. Another issue that people think pocket doors are going to have is that they get stuck in the pocket. That doesn't have to be the issue anymore. We also use a T floor guide that is a fin down at the bottom of the pocket, and there's a groove in the bottom of the door so that it can stay engaged in the guide. And that way it's gonna always run straight. That's gonna let it drive straight and not rub or get stuck in the pocket. Another myth that was busted is you can't put tile on the wall, like for a bathroom with a pocket door. We've had people that are using our 2x4 frames that have our 3/4 by 1.5 inch thick post, and they're still able to put the tile backer board on there and put the tile on there. When you use it on our 2x6 walls, for sure, these things are solid as rock. They're gonna be stronger than a regular framing, and you're not gonna have any issue putting a tile on this wall. It's not going to flex or be shaken. That's gonna cause a disturbance. So if you're a builder and you've got a project coming up and you're tired of dealing with pocket door problems in the past, why don't you give us a call? We'll take care of you. We'll take a look at your project and we'll design a frame system that's gonna work for your application, give you something that you can count on and that we'll stand behind. So HD Pocket Doors, hdpocketdoors.com. We'll see you on the next one.